Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 15 Pro. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in that box you will find here on top another white box, and if you open it you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you are able to insert next to the main SIM card if you want, as well as second SIM card here at the other side of the SIM tray. Okay, by the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? You can always recognize it here. It is written here at the SIM tray. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Press it well, it's well inserted. So this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay. And if you want, you can add now at the other side of the SIM tray a second SIM card. Let's do it. Same thing. So the contacts, they are on top. Press it well now from both sides. So that's well inserted now. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner at the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top here as well. Okay, and if you're ready with, anyhow with one or two SIM cards, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side now. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.